This video will show you how to replace your mag lock and keeper. First, unlock and open the sash. Now, slide a putty knife into the gap on one end between the sash and the lock. Pry up until it snaps out of the sash. To install the new lock, place the replacement lock into the slot and press until it snaps in, flush with the sash. To replace the keeper, first remove the sash and set it aside. Watch our video on sash removal and reinstallation for details. Mark the location of the old keeper and remove the two screws holding it in place. Next, remove the old keeper and install the new keeper in the same location, making sure it's aligned with the marks you made earlier. Finally, reinstall and close the sash and test for operation. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.jeld-wen.com, or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.